Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. I hope you have a lovely day. I took the leftovers from yesterday because it was quite a lot. The goulash and the bacon as well as the peppers. And I made some braaibroodjies with it. This one I made in the air fryer. And this one I made in an electric jaffle maker. I prefer the jaffle maker because the snackwager cuts it in two and there's a lot of dough in there. So I prefer the jaffle maker. But you can't get them anymore, I see. Okay, as I always say, it's all in taste. First the jaffle one. Here goes. I forgot to mention, I added some cheese to both of them. Very nice. The salt is not that bad today. And then one I made in the air fryer. It's nice and crispy, I must say. I actually prefer the one that's been made in the air fryer. Takes a bit longer, but it's much nicer. Till next time guys, love you all.